Enjoy fresh-smelling laundry with this reliable washing machine from Hoover. With One Touch enabled, you can use the Hoover Wizard app on your smart device to control and manage wash cycles and settings. Simply touch your phone to the machine and tailor wash your clothes to your preference. The 59-minute wash cycle offers the usual high standard of cleaning in just under an hour when you don't have a full load. There's no need to sacrifice the quality if you're short on time with this quick and effective wash cycle. KG mode is designed to use less energy by using a sensor to weigh the load and adjust the cycle time, water and necessary energy consumption to meet the needs of the laundry. This automatically ensures that the machine is operating efficiently so you can reduce energy consumption. Ideal for family households, this Hoover washing machine delivers a powerful clean time after time.